Hey guys, hope you all are having an amazing day. This is Kevin and you're watching Khao Must You. And today I'm going to show you how to make a summer special recipe, that is mango lassi. Hope you all like it. Let's go make it.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make an easy summer special mango lassi or mango smoothie. First, we are going to peel and cut fresh ripe mangoes. I'm using 3 large mangoes which serves 4 people. This is a very simple recipe guys and has good nutritional value. Any fruit has natural sugars which is good for your body. Moreover, mangoes are packed with immunity boosting nutrients and antioxidants, so don't hesitate to try out this recipe guys. Once I cut the mango pieces into cubes, I'm going to add the fresh fruit to a blender and then some yogurt. I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar as per your taste, and I'm going to add some ice cubes, blend the mixture well, and now your smoothie is ready. Enjoy the smoothie chilled with some ice cubes. You can also garnish them with dry fruits or with some mango pieces as well. Please do try this recipe this summer guys to beat the heat and take advantage of the mango season. See you guys in the next video.
Well, that's it for today guys. Mango lassi came out really well. It is easy to make and amazing. Hope you all liked the recipe. And if you did, do try this amazing recipe and please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Khao Must You.